name's Melinda and I'm the Kitchen Diva. I want to say thank y'all so much for being here today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thanks to all of my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you. If you are interested in more content like this, go ahead and smash that like button, ring the notification bell, comment, all the above. All that stuff helps my channel so much. Now today I'm going to try my hand at baking. I'm making something called Alabama pecan bread. Now I don't usually bake because I'm not very good at it, to be honest with you. If I make desserts, it's usually something cold. So we'll see how it turns out. It looks good in the picture anyway. Of course, I got it on Pinterest. So follow along with me as I make this Alabama pecan bread. Here are my ingredients. Well, here's just this Baker's Joy. If you've never used that, it's amazing. You don't have to flour the bottom of your pan. You just spray this on. It's already got flour in it. And then I have sugar, self-rising flour, pecans, eggs, oil, brown sugar, and vanilla. Now, let me get started making it. I'll start by spraying the pan with Baker's Joy. Then I'm gonna add a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna add 4 eggs here. Then a cup of vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna stir all of that together. Here I'm adding a cup and a half of self-rising flour, and then I'm going to stir that up and get it mixed in real well. Now I'll stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here I'm going to finely chop 2 cups of pecans and mix them in. And I'm just going to fold in the pecans. I just wanted to go ahead and add that this recipe was so easy. Now I'm going to get the batter into that 9x13 pan that I've sprayed with Baker's Joy. I'm going to get it into the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, here is the finished product. And then I'm going to get some on a plate.